everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share house organizations and decoration and some accessories I got this time. All the items are from Yuja and the links are in the description box. Same as before, I picked out some items that I want and they sent me those items for free. Some of those items are very useful to me and some accessories are super adorable. I always wanted a shoe organizer because my shoes just are all over the floor. It comes with pieces, so you need to put them together. It should not be hard to put them together. Yay, I finally have a shoe organizer. This is not high quality shoe shelves, but it works fine for me. I just need my shoes organized, not all over the floor. It takes a lot of time organizing house and it's not organized yet. I'm still working on it. I remember when my mom working on the house like all day long, I didn't understand why it takes so long to clean, but right now I understand it takes a lot of time to organizing and cleaning. The cleaning is non-stop, especially the kitchen is always a mess. It'll look good and it also has a connector. I'm very excited to organize my shoes. Okay, that's about right. Wow, it looks really nice, right? And let's see how many shoes I can put it in. So I only put the shoes that I actually wear outside. So I can only put 3 pair of shoes on one shelf. It looks very nice. All my really high heels are upstairs. The next one is a very beautiful container, and this container can go perfectly with my dressing room. Ta-da! This is actually for bathroom, and so you put the hand soap into this container. This is a one of bathroom set. They also have the soap container. Because I only have one, so I'm thinking about I can put hand moisturizer and I can put it in my dressing room. It'll match perfectly with my dressing room. I think I will just put here and it matches. Wow, that's a very pretty container. I really love it. It matches with everything else. The next one is the shelf. You can use it for your bathroom or kitchen. I ordered the size medium and then I can put it on the top to save room. So I can put all the face mask underneath. I can put all my contacts. This way is more organized and it's also saving rooms. Next one is SuperCute organizer. Ta-da! That's super cute. You can actually make your own if you got all the materials. I'm not really sure what items I can put in this organizer. Oh, I could put hair accessories. So I have some hair accessories with no ribbons. I can put it here so I don't need to put them in a plastic bag. Those are the hair accessories I made before. Pink, so it matches. Those hair accessories has been in the plastic bag for a long time. I need to put them out so I can see it. When I see it, then I can use it. I made this one before and I really love it. I like this style hair accessory, so I can wear in the bag. I'm thinking about making some of those in different colors, like pink, blue, white, light purple. This one looks like a Christmas hairball. This can be hairball organizer. I'll put this organizer in my dressing room because it matches. I have a lot of pink nails, but those are still in my parents' house. Yeah, I need to bring some for the next time I visit them. It will be very cute on the wall. I think right now I just put it on my mirror. It's still pretty cute. I can also put all those hair fuzzy rubber band here because it's very nice. Pretty cute. Next one is drawer separator. So it's got a lot of small space. I was thinking about use it for my dressing table, but the drawer of my dressing table are too small for those. So right now I just put my hair accessories. It is very useful for me because I got a lot of accessories and I used to put those hair accessories in the plastic bag. It has been hard for me to look for hair accessories. If I put them like this, it will be easier for me to look for hair accessories rather than in plastic bag for ears. So it's quite useful and I got 6 of them. This way can save a lot of space and organize my accessories better. And right now I'm thinking about I need to get a cabinet. A cabinet just for accessories. I really need one. The one I really liked cost a lot of money. So I'm thinking about I'll just get cheap plastic ones. The next one is this pair of Chinese style shoes. And it's very pretty and cute and I really love the color, the style, and here is embroidered. Very pretty. I ordered this pair because it will go perfectly with my purple hanfu. Look, it matches. I can't wait to wear this set of hanfu purple ones. So right now I have the Chinese style shoes in color pink, red, blue, and purple, pink, red, blue, purple. The quality is really good. Look, really love it. So the last two items are swimwear. The color I got all black. This one with a little bit ruffles. The material of this one is better than the material of the one side bikini. The fabric of this one is very thin. When you stretch it, it's a bit see-through. The material of this set is not bad. It doesn't have crowd. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video, and there will be more house organizations and decorations video in the future. Bye bye. I will see you in next video soon.